DoorDash Crimson Card. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to add DoorDash Crimson Card to Apple Wallet. So let's get started. The Red or Crimson Card issued to Dashers is designed specifically for use within the DoorDash app, and it typically is not supported for digital wallets like Apple Wallet. DoorDash requires the physical card for certain order payments, so adding it to Apple Wallet is not currently an official feature. If DoorDash ever enables full, let's suppose the general steps would look like: open the wallet application on your iPhone, then tap the plus icon to begin adding a card, choose debit or credit card, scan the card or enter details manually, then complete any verification steps that appear. But again, for now, unfortunately, Red Crimson Card cannot be verified for wallet, so the process will not complete successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.